Hey everybody, welcome back. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by to check out the video. As you can see, I'm in the workshop and we're going to be outside actually today on a project. And what I'm attempting to do is to breathe some new life into a vinyl fence around my backyard. I had a vinyl fence put in about 5 years ago, kind of a little bit of a higher end type of vinyl fence. The brand name is called Active Yards. I'll put a picture up right now of what that looks like, as well as the company's information. And I've been pretty happy with it, actually. It's been a really good vinyl fence. It's held up to some pretty brutal storms, hurricanes, and things like that, just like the warranty and so forth says it should. But it has faded more than I think it should have. And I guess that's, subjective to some extent. The company that manufactures this does say that there will be some fading. What's a little bit ambiguous is how you determine how much fading has actually occurred. I have something I'll show you right now. Next to a gate, I have a sign. It's just a security sign to let people know that I do have security monitoring around my property. And this sign has been there ever since the fence has been installed. And if I remove this sign, then you'll see what the true color of this vinyl fencing looks like with no fading, and how that contrasts with the part of the fence that actually does get a lot of sun. Now, I'm in Florida. Obviously, the sun here is brutal, especially through the summer, but it's also pretty intense in the winter as well. So again, I do expect some fading. But anyway, just to sum things up, I have a product that I'm going to share with you today that I'm going to be testing to see if we can make our faded fence look new again. So stick with me and we'll see how we get along with this. All right, we're here at the workbench. I've already unboxed this, but what I have done is I've ordered a product, it's really just a sample size of the product. And here, we'll unwrap this. Tear the plastic open here. So I've seen this product advertised, and I've looked at the reviews, which are pretty favorable. And the product is called Vinyl Renu. Now, this product is actually intended not just for fencing, which I'm going to be using it on, but vinyl siding, vinyl shutters, I guess any kind of vinyl product that might sit outside, even like vinyl patio furniture, that kind of thing. Anything that does vinyl and is affected by the sun and fades and that kind of thing. So in this sample that I've ordered, which was about $8, there's two products. One is a cleaner. I decided if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it precisely as the manufacturer recommends, just so that I am testing this in the right way. So we have a bit of cleaner here that we'll mix up and we'll apply to a section of my fence to test. And then, of course, we have the actual Vinyl Renu itself. This is supposed to be applied either with a brush or a sprayer. I guess you could use a roller, but it's supposed to last up to 10 years. And it basically just provides a UV protection to the fence, in addition to actually restoring the original luster and color. It provides a UV coating on it, which I guess is equivalent to about an SPF 100. And again, it's supposed to last up to about 10 years. I would not expect that here in Florida. If I could get half that, I'd be doing backflips. But in any event, we're going to try this. And if this works, if I'm pleased with it, I'll probably just end up doing the whole fence. And I've got about 260 feet-ish, linear feet of fencing that I would need to do, and that's probably going to cost about $400 in this product when it's all said and done. But I have a lot of money tied up in the fence. $400 is not that much money, and I really want to make sure that I'm taking care of the fence, that it's going to last a nice long time, and that it, is aesthetically attractive. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go out, and first thing we're going to do is find a section, and we're going to mix up our cleaner and do a cleaning, and then we'll come back and we'll apply this, and we'll see how that works out. Okay, so I'm going to just show you here. I'm going to probably do this panel right here. Ideally, you would want to do this on an overcast day. Those overcast days are far and few between here in Florida, so we're going to have to do it with the sun out, but that's okay. And if you'll see, I mean, the weathering on this, or the fading, is, for the most part, it's pretty consistent. And if we get up here in the corner where I have some landscaping, you can see how it gets much darker, much richer looking. So that is kind of the difference. So I just want to get it back to looking like, or close to the original luster and richness as possible. So that's what we're going to be doing. Now, the first thing we're going to do is mix up our cleaner, and it says just to mix it with water at a 5-to-1 ratio. It says for tougher jobs, you can mix it at a 2-to-1 ratio. My fence is not that dirty. I do occasionally wash it. I do keep it clean. So we're going to go to a 2-to-1, or excuse me, a 5-to-1 ratio, and then have a scrub brush over here, water hose all set to go. Once you apply this, you let it set for a minute, and then you come back and scrub it, and then you rinse it. And you have to rinse it really thoroughly. You can't leave any of the cleaner on. It will negatively impact applying the actual sealant that we're going to put on it here as a second step. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up. Okay, so we're just going to give this a little bit of a shake. We're going to go ahead and just open her up. We're going to pour the entire contents into our bucket. And I'm actually going to use this to measure out 5 additional parts. So I have my hose here. The one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, we'll give this a little bit of a swirl, make sure we're nice and mixed up. Now, that's not a whole lot of cleaner, but I think it's enough to do one of these panels, which is all I wanted to do anyway. So I guess we'll start cleaning. As I said, we're going to apply it and let it sit for about a minute, and then come back and rinse it off. And I think we will have plenty of this cleaner. That sounds like somebody got a new mini bike for Christmas. All right, we're going to let that sit for about 1 minute. Now, ideally, what you don't want it to do is to start to dry like you see here. Of course, I am going to come back and scrub it once more and then immediately rinse, but that's a consequence of doing this in the bright sun. Now, I mentioned this product for vinyl siding, which obviously it is. And I mentioned gutters too. This company does make a product specifically, or not gutters, but shutters. And they actually make a product called Shutter Renew, which if you have vinyl shutters, I don't know what the difference would be, but, and I will put a link in the description to this product. This company did not send me this. I bought this with my own money. So this is not sponsored in any way. But I'll put links in the description to the sample as well as the other standard products, which I think it comes in 1 gallon and 5 gallon sizes. And I think with that, we're going to call it good. Let's rinse. Now I will say, the panel that I used the cleaner on, the cleaner did a pretty good job. I don't know what they put in it, but there is a noticeable difference. It actually brought a little bit of the color back, but obviously not anywhere near what it would be brand new. So I think we're sufficiently dry now, so we're going to go ahead and apply the actual Vinyl Renu product. Now there's not a lot here, and this doesn't get diluted. So I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. I'll see how I'm getting through this. It says to put a coat on, let it dry 30 minutes, and put a second coat on. So there may not be enough here for 2 coats for a full panel, so I may end up just doing halfway down and stopping at one of the lines and then letting that dry. So again, this is just a test. So, all right, so let's get started. All right, so it does say shake this thoroughly, which we will do. And if it sits for an hour, you're supposed to shake again. I think we're going to go through this product pretty fast. All right, I think we're good to go here. So again, I'll use about half this, see how far I get, and then we'll let that dry, and then we'll come back and apply a second coat after 30 minutes. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. I still have a fair amount here. I may be able to finish it, but I'm going to stop right there. Let this dry, come back and put a second coat on. And then if I have any of this left, I'll see how much more of the panel that we can finish out there. But for now, I'm going to find something to cover this up so that it doesn't dry out on me, and we'll give this a chance to dry. Okay, so the second coat on the upper half is looking pretty good. So definitely the second coat is very necessary. Now part of this issue could be I was being a little bit stingy as I was applying it. I think I should apply it a little more generously. I'm also working in the direct sun, but I don't have much choice. So that'll just have to deal with. But I'm going to go ahead and take what I have left and finish out the bottom. And there might even be enough for a third coat. I'm debating on whether I want to do that, but I'll at least get the bottom half done with a second coat. And then we'll let this thing dry overnight, and we'll come out and we'll take a look and do some compare and contrast here in the morning. So let's get started with this last and final application. Okay, so there we go. We've completed this. I'm going to check it again in the morning and just to see how it looks from drying overnight. But right now, I would say it's a pretty remarkable difference. Again, the real test is longevity. How long is this going to last? How long is it going to continue to look good like this? And again, it says up to 10 years here in the Florida sun. As I said earlier, I'd be doing backflips if I could get 5 years of it looking like this. So, but that'll take some time to see. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video in about a year's time or the end of this coming summer. We'll take a look and see how this is coming along. But right now, so far, so good.
And it's the next day, and we're going to take a look here at how this panel looks, and I think it looks fantastic. So I'm going to call that for the win for this Vinyl Renu product. And there we have it. So I hope that that was useful to you. If it was and you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It's totally free. Thanks, and everybody have a great day.